Arizona is a state located in the southwest region of the United States of America. Characterized by a hot and arid climate, Arizona, as well as the other southwestern states, is home to approximately 50 million residents. In addition to its larger than normal population, Arizona boasts a population growth rate of 24.6%, over double the national average of 9.7%, according to 2010 EPA data. Being known for bringing in tourists and new residents based on its warm climate, one might question the worrisome atmosphere surrounding climate change in the Southwest. However, the climate of the Southwest is changing rapidly. Last century alone, Arizona experienced an increase in average annual temperature by 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Not only that, but projected temperature increases, given the current rate of emissions, estimate an additional 2.5 to 8 degrees Fahrenheit increase within the next 100 years. Although 8% doesn't sound like a staggering figure, keep in mind that these drastic changes in climate can have widespread consequences, both indirectly and directly. Impacts on water resources is one of the main concerns regarding Arizona's climate change. Already an arid region with limited fresh water supply, Arizona's increasing temperatures due to climate change will further increase the desire for fresh, accessible, and clean drinking water. By reducing the snowpack, warmer temperatures in the future will cause reduced stream flows, less frequent precipitation, and even less groundwater recharge. In addition to the impacts on water resources, climate change in Arizona also has impacts on water and snow recreational activities, forests and other ecosystems, human health regarding air quality, agricultural systems, and energy, specifically hydroelectric. With all of these apparent negative impacts due to climate change, one might ask, who's to blame? Although finger-pointing typically leads nowhere, it is important in regard to climate change to understand what activities are causing these undesirable effects, so proper action can be taken in the future. Unfortunately for Arizona and its encompassed corporations, Arizona was the 18th largest producer of greenhouse gases in 2010, based on the 2010 Greenhouse Gas Database provided by the EPA. One specific plant, the Navajo Generating Station, located in northern Arizona, was the 13th worst greenhouse gas producer in 2010 when compared to 6,700 other facilities across the nation. By producing over 16.3 million metric tons of greenhouse gases, the Navajo Generating Station is the greenhouse gas equivalent of 3.2 million vehicles. If these numbers weren't enough, Arizona also ranked 12th in the nation for greenhouse gas emissions in the mineral sector and 14th overall for power plant emissions, both in 2010. But now that these numbers are out in the open, what steps are to be taken? Who is being affected by these actions? One group that is taking action against climate change is the Arizona Climate Change Advisory Group, a branch of the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, also known as the ACCAG, specifically in regard to their Climate Change Action Plan. In this plan, which was crafted in 2006, the ACCAG outlines their intentions to reduce Arizona's greenhouse gas emissions to the 2000 level by the year 2020, with an additional reduction of 50% below the 2000 level by the year 2040. These goals will be accomplished through multiple avenues, but primarily through the implementation of new technologies such as wind, hydro, and solar power, and also through heightened greenhouse gas reporting, registration, policy, and education programs. By involving members of the communities, schools, businesses, and service clubs, the ACCAG hopes to make greenhouse gas reduction, in addition to the overall climate preservation, an important aspect of everyday life in Arizona.